Welcome to day 10 of 10 days, 10 websites with AI. Before we start, let's quickly rewind to day 9. Yesterday, we built a complete coffee cafe website in just 2 minutes using one simple AI system. And today, we are doing the same thing again. This time, it's a full restaurant website, and yes, again in just 2 minutes. Nothing about the formula changes. The structure stays the same, the logic stays the same, the system stays the same. The only thing that changes is the customization block, the store type, the brand vibe, and the color palette. That's it. You define the theme, send it to AI, and let the system do the heavy lifting. Once the code is generated, the process is simple and predictable. You copy it into index.html, style.css, and script.js. Make it live and you are done. Now, this is what the website looks like before adding images. If it feels familiar, that's because it's the same stable template we used on day 9. Next step, images. We add images exactly as per the predefined structure. You can download copyright-free images from platforms like Pexels based on the suggestions provided by the system. And now, look at this. No broken images, no missing sections, no layout chaos. Everything loads cleanly, everything works smoothly. This is a restaurant website built using the exact same formula that powered yesterday's coffee cafe website. It's fully responsive, it adapts perfectly to every screen size, and it feels like a real professional product, not an experiment. Now pause for a second. What's common between day 9 and day 10? It's not just a 2-minute build time, it's not just a structure, it's not just a design. It's the system behind it. The same system adapts to everything: coffee, restaurant, bakery, portfolio, business site, anything. That's the power of having a repeatable formula instead of guessing every time. And now comes the question I know many of you are asking: how is this actually done? This is where everything comes together. I have created a simple, no fluff guide that explains the exact AI formula behind these websites. You will find the link in the description below. It's available as a digital product on Gumroad. It's a 10-minute read, but it replaces hours and days and even months of confusion. If you're a student, a creator, a freelancer, or a working professional, this gives you speed, clarity, and control. In a world where everything is moving faster every day, the real advantage is not working harder, it's working smarter. Thank you for being part of my 10 days, 10 websites challenge. I'll see you very soon. Bye.